Welcome to EMC Art Gallery. My dad, yes, Sampath, is the founder of this EMC company and the driving force behind me to excel in the art field. The journey of my art started with doing a embroidering of this lady and a general scenery of this, but didn't stop with this because I had the thirst to learn the Indian unique style of painting, that is the Tanjore painting, which is known for its richness. It's being done on a wooden board and uses gold foil that gives richness to the painting. It incorporates the usage of precious and semi precious stones, and it's attractive because of its vibrant and vivid colors we use. Finally, the picture is finished and it's being framed using a teak wood. This is a fusion art of Tanjore painting and oil painting. Art has no limitations. It is what the mind says, you can do wonders. This is Darbar Krishna. Usually, the incarnation of Vishnu is being depicted through this art form. This is Gajalakshmi, known for prosperity. Lord Shivan and Parvati. Lord Balaji. This is Lakshmi, known for wealth. These are all the smaller version sizes of Tanjore painting which would suit the purpose. This is the smallest size of Tanjore painting which depicts not only the god but also general pictures which decorates the wall beautifully. This is the paneling which we do in customizing the need of the customer. It incorporates all the characters that the customer needs into one single frame. That is the paneling. And it's being framed finally. This is the Tanjore art key holder, something new which is of utility purpose too. This is a Tanjore art tray which is multi-purpose. And here comes a treasured box in Tanjore art where people can keep their valuables like jewels, money and any treasured ornaments into it. And it's being beautifully done on top by the Tanjore art. You can gift your loved ones so that they will feel very happy. And my exploration in oil painting are few of these: the Michael Jackson, the Kerala Kathakali face, a natural scenery. This is an abstract art of Lord Shiva where he is dancing fiercely. This is a lady. This is a coffee powder art of goddesses Saraswati. This is a portrait of any person whoever you wanted to, and it's my dad. I did this for him because I loved him the most. These are glass paintings which mimic the Tanjore painting, but it is a reverse glass painting without gold foil work. These are small glass paintings which are suitable for gifting purposes. Mostly Lord Krishna, Lord Ganesha, various forms of Lakshmi, and other deities are depicted through this glass painting. Of course, apart from the god and goddesses, even general pictures can be done in this glass painting. And these are key holders in glass painting, which is of utility purposes too. This is a glass painting tray which is multi-purpose. It adds beauty to whatever you're doing. I've done it in 3 different shades. These are wood murals which can decorate your walls. It is available in various sizes, and the concept what I have made is Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is being celebrated as a favorite deity in India. This is Ganesha on a leaf. This is a Ganesha like opening the door. You can customize the mural to your needs. This is with lot of musical instrument. Ganesha on a peacock. This is a textured mural where you add a different texture to the finish of the mural. This is Dr. Priya Mahesh, a dentist by profession and an artist by passion. Wish to color your dreams.